Jacob Wright here at MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida, to show you the 2026 SDX 250 by Sea Ray. Let's hop up inside and show you some more. All right, guys, now that we're up inside the Sea Ray SDX 250, one of my favorite things about this boat is just the amount of socializing that you can do in this boat. You have a very big back platform here for sunbathing, as well as a very large swim platform on the back where you can include an activity pole bar. So if you want to do any type of skiing, towing, anything of that nature, there's an allocated spot for it. Large storage underneath the sun pad lounge too for all your water activities. This boat is powered by a Mercury 300 horsepower outboard. And as I walk through the boat, you can just see just how it's set up right now. But if you wanted to change it up, these seats on the captain and co-captain seat do rotate forward and backward. So you can really open up the socializing room in this boat. Lots of storage underneath all of the seats, as well as one large storage here in the center for your wakeboard, skis, tubes, anything of that nature. One unique thing about this Sea Ray is it does come with twin Simrad GPS and navigation screens. So you can have one showing where you're at, the other one reading bottom, or if you wanted to, since Simrad and Mercury connect, they actually talk to each other, one screen can have all of your engine information as well. Digital throttle system makes shifting in and out of gear super seamless, very easy. This boat does have a head down in there as well. You can also lay the cushions across to make a small little bed for any grandchildren of that nature. Co-captain's fusion head unit here, so while you're driving, the other person can be controlling the radio. Very nice open bow system here with a table that can insert here for any type of dining that you might want to do in the afternoon time. This is the Sea Ray SDX 250 here at MarineMax Panama City Beach. If you want to know more about it, stop by or see us or give me a call at 850-819-9106. Thank you, guys.